Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to generate affiliate program booking.com link. So let's get started. For that let's get into booking.com affiliate program interface through this link and click on register. Now we need to click on register with Arvin. Now let's click on booking.com API, so you can choose it according to your country as well. And to sign up, simply click on sign up and join program. Now click on join Arvin. Now here we need to enter all of our details and click on next steps and enter the promotional types, promotional space and verification. Once the verification is done, finally your affiliation link will be generated. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please to like and subscribe.